How to check who shared your post on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down and then click on Notifications. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on More Activity About You. Then in here, make sure these notifications are turned on. I have no notification that somebody shared my Facebook post, so there is no notification option. You'll find notification button at the bottom, top right, top left, or simply bottom right or bottom left. From there, you can see your post, who shared. This is how to check who shared your post on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.